Greetings. Welcome to a new chapter of our course. Website monetization by affiliate programs. There are 4 main steps to start monetizing your website through affiliate programs. Step 1. Choose relevant affiliate programs. The affiliate program chosen should be relevant to your website content and reflect the content message. An affiliate partner is paid when his readers click on an ad and then either sign up or make a purchase. Although there are many affiliate programs available, we advise our students to start with programs like Amazon Associates. Due to the diverse nature and the millions of products they offer, the Amazon affiliate program is one of the best to join. The next affiliate programs you should join are Commission Junction and ShareASale. They are very popular and have shown consistency over time. Although there are many advantages of choosing an affiliate program that is directly related to your niche, you should study and provide to your audience other products and services they want. It is very easy to become a partner to an affiliate program. All you have to do is to register with them as directed on their websites. The links to the affiliate program sign-up pages are given in the description section of this video. Step 2. Consider an affiliate aggregator service. Sometimes you may need to consider affiliate aggregators to automate access to a huge number of affiliate programs. These aggregators will monetize the links on your site for you. An affiliate aggregator is important for a website that covers diverse topics in different niches. An aggregator such as VigLink is suitable for this. Aggregators like VigLink optionally and automatically insert new, ordinary links where none existed before. Once a product is mentioned in a blog post, VigLink inserts a link to this product, thereby optimizing user experience and revenue. Step 3. Create content that sells. The content you publish on your website is the pillar of your online business. As explained earlier, every blog article you publish will be converted into different digital formats and published on the different passive income platforms. So create good content. Write honest reviews of products with affiliate marketing in mind. State clearly if you have personally used the products or services. For products and services you haven't personally used, refer your readers to the reviews done by an authority in your niche. Honest reviews give you more credibility. Step 4. Integrate affiliate links appropriately. If you add affiliate links to your site, make sure you maintain a balance between monetization and user experience. You can do this by keeping the majority of your content ad-free. One very important thing to note about monetization by affiliates program is affiliate disclosure. Always inform your readers of the presence of affiliate links in your articles. It is a requirement of the Federal Trade Commission of the United States of America. All you need to do after these 4 steps is to keep writing good contents and driving traffic to them. We have come to the end of this chapter, which explains website monetization by affiliate programs. Stay tuned for the next chapter. Website monetization by Google AdSense.